Welcome to a web design session. So today we are looking at building a website for free. We are going to use another platform or address a place where we can have a free domain and hosting. So we are going to use profreehost.com. profreehost.com. So let's begin. So you type in profreehost. Now it opens this way. Now when you open profreehost, you click on register now. It takes you to the dashboard here. You fill in your email and then your password. So I choose my email address and then I type in a password to register. So after typing in the password, then you click on the button marked with blue, the blue highlighted button. So this is a place where you can also use to build a free domain and a hosting for your website. So let's go. So after typing in and registering, now you get a message in your email address. So you can open your email and check for a response message from there. So let's go into our email. Go Gmail. Let me check my Gmail address. That is the Gmail account that I use to register. That is what you have to check, because they have sent a message there for you to just verify and then you continue. I enter my password. So let's see. Okay, this one is not necessary. Okay, not now. Okay, so you can see they've sent a message into my mail, account reactivation. So you click on activate account. Good, your account has been activated successfully. So now you can come down and then you click on create new account. Create new account. Now remember, when we were using the dashboard for WordPress, we created an account, we registered with them. It's the same thing you have to do. So here to the same. So now you click on, you go to the create new website, Now you enter a domain name that you want to use. You choose any domain name that you want to use. So you realize that below it has given you an option for free domain and custom domain. So then domain name that you type in the box, because it's a free something, they'll add their name to it, just like we did for the WordPress. Any domain name that you choose, they will also add their name to it. So with this one, they are giving us options that we should choose. So you see my domain name Lenizi, they added Israel.com. So they've added Israel. So that will be part of my domain name. So any name that you choose as a domain name, they will add the options. You choose the options there, then you add it. Now this is how it will be: Lenizi and their name Israel.com. So after you click the manage, after clicking manage, this is where you go to the control panel, creating. Okay, let's wait whilst it creates. Let me just refresh the page. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's taking some few minutes. Oh, this is taking so much time. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so you see the control panel. So you click on the control panel. Free hosts, good. Now let's go down and see. Okay, so this is the message that you will get. Now click on approve. Just click on approve. Now we are entering into the control panel where we have the functions to set up our website. The functions. Now we have registered our domain name and hosting for free on this platform. So now the next thing that we will do is to use a WordPress to design our website. So now the control panel section will give you options where you get a software called WordPress. So as we scroll, now when you scroll, let's look for the software where we'll get WordPress. So let's see. Now the software, it should be under software. Softaculous. Okay, Softaculous apps installer. Now click that one. Okay, good. Now you see WordPress here. So we are installing WordPress. So let's click install. Wonderful. So now we've got WordPress. Good. So this is WordPress. Now this is the WordPress dashboard. So now you just over here, you just write the name of your site and then the description. So maybe the name you want to give to your site, maybe a learning site or a food website, or any name that you want to give to your site. You just write it there. I'm writing learning sites. Okay, learning site. So good. Okay, let me give it a name. Lenisi. Okay, that's the name of my website. Lenisi. It's a learning site. Okay, so this is the address, just like it is. So here, just choose a username and password. Username and password. A username. Okay, let me use a username and then password here. Okay, so this is my username. Okay, so you have to create a very strong password. Create a strong password. Now these details are very necessary because this is what you will use to log in. This is what you will use to log in into the dashboard. So after all, then you come down and then you click install. Click install. Now you see WordPress is loading on the platform. So good. Now you realize the other one we couldn't install some themes and features, but through this pro free host we'll be able to install the themes and the features we are looking for. Good. So now this is the WordPress. We've installed